here. Ooh, tight too. Oh my god, this is so fun. Alright fam, we made it. We're about to go down that road right there. We're gonna right up the hills, or right up the mountain actually. So here we are, fully fueled and ready to get this party started. Alright, let's get it. Let's play some tunes. Actually, we don't need tunes for this ride. Let's enjoy the atmosphere for now. Sheesh. I think it's loud. Oh man, I actually rode with the earplugs earlier. I took them off just so I could hear the exhaust better up here. Just for a short ride, you know. And man, it sounds loud and beautiful. Woo, baby! Woo, baby! That's so fucking cool, man. Oh, look at this curve. Oh, it's beautiful. Look at this. Amazing. Blind curve. Slow it down. Sheesh! I really put in the angle in this bitch. Sheesh! That's so fun. Taking these corners, making sure I don't target fixate. Slow it down. Oh yeah. Putting the angle on this bike. Wow, look at that view. Sheesh, that's beautiful. And we caught up in traffic. How unfortunate. The ones behind us. Look at that, guys. Beautiful. Holy shit. Huh. A lot of black corners here. Sheesh. That's cool. Look at the angle I'm taking these things. Sheesh! Oh my god, I'm a fucking natural at this shit. Damn, boy. Taking his corners quick. Baby, this is fun as fuck. Man, I love leading this thing. It's so fun. That angle, baby. Oh, a little wet here. Alright, a little wet. Let's take it easy. Look at that view. Woo, baby. Slow it down for this one. I gotta admire this waterfall. Whew, that's beautiful. I hear it popping. Sheesh. That was fun. That was fun, baby. Ripping the roads. Whew, it's cold up here. Ugh. Freezing my ass off. Fuck, it's cold. I'm fucking shivering. Ugh. That was fun. I'm gonna go through that shit again. Oh, fuck, I'm shivering, man. Holy shit. Maybe I should have gone to iced coffee. I don't know why. I went to the store, like by the gas station. I was just like, I kind of want to have iced coffee right now. Now I'm paying the price. Oh, god damn cold. Oh, fuck me. I'm gonna warm up somewhere. Let's check out this place first. I don't know where I am, but we could probably take a break here. Warm up a little bit. Oh god, it's cold. Oh fuck, my controls are a little off. Oh fuck. Fucking freezing. Alright guys, put on my thermal underneath, so I'm feeling a little better. Bike's all good now. I'm gonna proceed with the route. I'm gonna take that road back up, and we're gonna take a right, I think. Alright, let's go. Disturbing the peace with my loud ass exhaust. Man, it's cold up here, man. It's like 40 degrees, but whew, on the bike it feels like 30. Let's see what we got over here. Oh, nice little curve here. Sheesh. Now I think this is the place, I think, but I can't remember. Do you have to pay? Wait, where is this road leading me? I have no idea where this goes, but I'm taking it. Nice curvy road here. Sheesh, look at that. Beautiful. Slow it down. I don't necessarily want to go fast on this one, just because I don't know what's ahead. I mean, we are going pretty fast. Fucking 40. Sheesh. Pretty fast. And look at that view, guys. Holy moly, ain't that a sight. Whoo, baby. Wow. Oh, it's closed, bro. Damn, that sucks. This is another picturesque spot. Let me take my keys just in case a crazy lunatic hops on this bitch. Sheesh. The place I'm trying to get to is like it's on top of a mountain and it overlooks down into the valley, but I think it's closed right now. I don't think I could actually get there. Let me just pull up my phone real quick and I'll figure it out. I'm charging my phone in my backpack, so I gotta take off everything. Beautiful view. I'm gonna turn this off for now. Alright, all warmed up. Just gonna take one last look at this view. Very peaceful out here. It's so quiet. And then here I am with my loud motorcycle. Am I recording? Yeah. Alright, let's get back down. Looks like the place I want to go to is closed. So this place was good enough though. It's a good alternative. We're back to speeding again, you know? It's nice. Fucking love these corners, bro. It's so fun to ride. Sheesh. Very nice. Very nice angle here. Yeah, this road over here going to the right, that's where I want to go to, but looks like it's closed off. Maybe for the season, maybe it's too early. Let's take this way so I could just practice my cornering. Look at that, beautiful. Sheesh. Man, I love this place. Beautiful roads. Let's try taking this corner like 60. Pretty sure we could do it. Yep, beautiful. It was more like 50. Let's just round it up to 60. Once we get down this mountain, you know, down the curvy roads, I'm gonna put on my my earplugs. I really love the change of elevation of these roads, like up and down. It's nice. Definitely when I'm taking these corners, I'm like looking at the road to see if there's any like debris, like this one, a little bit of sand. Alrighty, all right, like this one. This place looks a little dusty. Let's take it easy. Looks like they still have some salt residue from the winter. All right, guys, are you ready? We're going down the hill now. Down that curvy, nice curvy road. All right, let's get our A game on. Let's focus and attack these corners. All right, first corner of the downhill. Sheesh. Crazy, man. Slowing down just in case someone's on the road or something. Nice, very nice. Smooth on the throttle. Holy shit, let's slow down here a bit. Let's enjoy this view. Whoo, look at that mountainous view. Oh my god. Wow, that's beautiful. It's like I want to go fast, but I also want to go slow, taking all this beauty. Sheesh, really putting the angle on this bad boy. This is the most angle this bike has seen to this day. I always want to go slow here. Oh, okay, almost I tightened up too much there. Sheesh. I almost overshot the yellow lines. Definitely downhill feels a little bit more tense. I think you're going a little faster, of course, you know, downhill. Sheesh, look at that view. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Ooh, baby. That's beautiful. Ha ha ha. Damn. I love this road. It's definitely better to climb this mountain than going down. Then again, going down feels a little bit more dangerous because you're going faster. Just trying to ride in my own skill level right now. Trying not to surpass it. A little bit of a blind curve here. Ooh, tight too. Oh my god, this is so fun. You guys could definitely do better, for sure. Sheesh, going down fast with this bitch. Blind curve, take it easy. Don't want to hit a random car stopped on the road or something. Oh my god, that's so fun. Sheesh, that's fun. Oh my god. Whoa, going fast around these things. I love these roads, man. I think that was it. That was the Twisties. That was fun. Good times all around. There's a little bit left of a Twisties around here. Wow, beautiful, man. Holy moly, that was fun.